Hi guys, this is Astha. Welcome to my channel. This is my first YouTube video and I'm going to upload home and lifestyle related videos every week. We are a family of three, me, my husband and our 2-year-old daughter. So there's a lot going around in the house all the time. And I'm really into organizing, decorating, cooking and baking. So I thought it will be great if I can share some of that with you and hopefully give you some of my tips and tricks and motivate you to get things done around your house. So today's video is going to be get it all done with me. I have a list of things that I need to do today and I'm going to do it with you all. So let's get started. Hi guys, so it's 9 o'clock in the morning. It's a Saturday. I actually woke up some time back and had my tea. Tea is the first thing that I need every morning. I can't get up without it. Um, Let me know in the comments how many of you are tea lovers. I definitely am. So now the next thing I'm gonna do is make some breakfast for my daughter and ourselves, and then we actually have to head out today. We have to go to the bank for some work, and it's actually really far. It takes a while to get there, but hopefully I'll be back soon. And then when we are back, I have to do meal prep for the week. I usually try to do it either on Saturday or Sundays. So today hopefully I can get that done. And then I have some self-care in mind if I get the time. So I've been neglecting myself for a very long time, so I think I'm gonna do something for myself today, and then we'll see how the day goes. So I am ready to head out now, and I'll see you guys when I'm back. Alright guys, so I'm back from the bank, and we had our lunch, put my daughter down for a nap, and now I'm gonna start with the meal prep. So there were some groceries that I ordered last night and I got them this morning, and I'm gonna wash, cut and prepare them for the week. Also, it's much later in the day actually. It's around 5:30 now. So it's later than I would have wanted it to, but I think I'm gonna just get going with it and just start quickly. Let's go. Okay, so these are the things that I ordered. I ordered broccoli. I give this to my daughter mostly, and we sometimes add it in the soups. Capsicum, coriander, curry patta, onion, potato. Then we have some fruits, apple, banana, watermelon. My daughter's been loving watermelon, so we make sure that we get it every week. And I already had some carrots and bhindi in the fridge, so I'm gonna prep them too. Besides all this, I also want to make vegetable stock. So when I'm cutting the vegetables, I use some of them to make the stock and keep it in the fridge. I use the stock to make soups for dinner, and sometimes I use it to cook my daughter's meals also. It's a good way to give the nutrients to her. Here I'm pouring hot water over broccoli to blanch it, and I'm gonna let it sit for 2 minutes and then drain it. I've cut capsicum here in 3 different ways to be used in different recipes. Again, cutting carrots in 2 different ways to use in different recipes. small pieces of watermelon for my daughter so she can eat easily. So I've kept some water for boiling. I'm adding in the vegetables that I cut along with some frozen corn, some ginger, garlic, coriander stems, spring onion, greens, frozen peas, and some salt. And then I'm going to let it simmer for around 15 to 20 minutes till the vegetables are soft, and then I'm going to strain it out. Quick update, I finished the meal prep and I made vegetable stock, and I also made my daughter's dinner. So next thing I'm gonna do is quickly clean up this mess that I've created. I finished all the meal prep and I made vegetable stock. I'm really proud of it. The vegetable stock is really hot right now, so it's gonna cool down, and then I'm gonna transfer it into a bottle and pop it inside the fridge. We are not making any dinner tonight because we had a really late lunch, so we're gonna have just some soup or probably just milk for me, I think. And then I wanted to do some self-care, so I think I'm going to put a face mask tonight after many months. I think I'm going to do it today, so that and then I'm going to call it a night. Another thing that I do before I go to bed is order groceries for the next day. So I've been using MilkBasket for I think almost 2 years now. So we order everything that we want for the next day in the night, and they deliver in the morning around 6 to 7 a.m. Also for milk, we use Country Delight for our daughter. So I order cow milk for her from Country Delight, and also buffalo milk from Country Delight again for ourselves, like for tea and for healthy milk in the night, because I don't like the taste of cow milk that much. So that is very important before I sleep. And yeah, that's it. So I have this face mask lying around from Zoe. It's contains sandalwood, rak chandan, amba, haldi, ushi, rose petals, tulsi, kapoor, kachri, fuller's earth. Benefits: reduces dark spots, acts as an anti-aging agent, gives your skin a radiant glow, reduces wrinkle lines, whitens your skin, controls oil levels in your skin, keeps your skin soft and fresh throughout the day. So since that's the only face pack I have right now, I'm gonna use it. And it, open it. So I'm gonna take it in a bowl like this. I'm using regular tap water a little bit. So it becomes like a paste like this. Smells of chandan, very nice. So I'm gonna just apply it on my face, all over my face, with my hands, just like that. I'm gonna let it sit for 10 minutes and then wash it off. I think it is almost dry. I'm gonna wash it off. Yeah, I'm gonna wash it off. Alright guys, I washed up my face mask and I feel really fresh and clean. I really needed this, I think. So I guess this is it for today. Hope you like the video, and if you do, please do consider subscribing, like, share, comment. Let me know in the comments what would you like to see in my next video. I will definitely try to make that. And that's all for now. Bye bye.